Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My name is Ana Binalista. I will recite the philosophy, mission, vision, and goals. Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principles of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and human society. Vision: a dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in southern Philippines. Mission: Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with the aim of producing highly competent, innovative, and self-renowned individuals. Goals: globally competitive educational institution, resilient to internal and external risks and hazards, innovative process and solutions in research is translated to extension engagements, partnerships and collaborations with private enterprises, other health government agencies, and alumni, sound fiscal management, and particularly governance. And that's all. Thank you.